Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Wonder Woman look of 2020. I did a Wonder Woman look last year, but that was more of cosplay, more comic book like. So this one is a little bit different. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. As always, thank you for all your love and support. If you would like to do a makeup collaboration with me, leave it in the comments or message me directly. Stay tuned. Alright, so today I did my brows with the pencil, red and blue, then I'm going to use shadow to fill them in and brow gel to set. I'm not going to do a complete voiceover. All the products that I'm using I will hold up and it will be in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. Now I'm basically using a glitter liner to try to draw a star over there. It was kind of harder than I thought. Okay, so I cheated and mapped out this area with eyeshadow because I didn't want to mess up, because I really don't have a steady hand when drawing lines. And I actually have a Wonder Woman headband, I just don't know where it is. And now I'm going to take this e.l.f. cream eyeliner and just go over it to make it a little bit darker. And then I also put some shadow on top to kind of set it. And then I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow to fill it in, and I'm going to draw kind of a star with the red eyeshadow for my headband, so you can see that I'm Wonder Woman today and I have the Wonder Woman shirt. Now I'm just taking a little bit of that gold eyeshadow and packing it on top just for a metallic-y lip. Take this NYX HD finishing powder to set my headband and make sure that it stays in place all day, and also use it on my stars. Alright, you guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. And my next video will be my devil cat. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys are being safe out there, and I love you guys. Bye!